The relationship between the embattled Henry Vilas Public Zoo in Madison and the UW Vet School that provides the animals with care is coming to an end. That is news that our investigative team just discovered.
In the course of the reporting on the story of new safety allegations you're about to hear, Braden Ross explains how the latest allegations build on more than a year of concerns.
I started at the Henry Vilas Zoo in June of 2020.
When Mark Romanowski took a job as the lead veterinary technician at the Henry Vilas Zoo, he wasn't totally sure what to expect.
My first day, I walked into the hospital and I was like, oh no, what did I do?
During the nearly 3 years he was at the zoo, it became the center of controversy. In 2022, safety and harassment allegations by former employees published by the Wisconsin State Journal put the zoo under scrutiny.
When it came out, I was like, oh boy, I wonder what it's going to be. And it was exactly the stuff I thought was going to be on it.
Following that report, the zoo faced inspections by 3 different agencies. The USDA's investigation in May resulted in 2 citations related to animal care. Then last fall, both Dane County and the Association of Zoos and Aquariums, the primary accrediting body for zoos, conducted their own investigations.
And I was like, finally.
The county investigation found no animal care issues beyond those federal citations. The AZA's investigation led to some minor animal exhibit updates. But Romanowski feels it wasn't enough.
There's these things happening that shouldn't be happening at a zoo that is AZA accredited.
Most of his concerns start here.
So there are no full-time vets at the zoo.
For now, the zoo contracts all vet care to the University of Wisconsin Vet School. It's an arrangement Romanowski believes has left the zoo with a revolving door of vets, leading to animal health issues.
It was very unclear what the vet's accountable role was in the program. Whenever a new vet came in, it was like, okay, we got to kind of start from scratch. We ended up just getting very slow results.
In one instance, he believes that inconsistency led to a skunk's death from untreated congestive heart failure.
I swear there were 4 different vets seeing this skunk at any time point.
In another, he says it took an outside consultant from another zoo to recognize an issue with a giraffe.
The vet should have picked that up on annual exams, and if they had a vet that was appropriate, they would have.
Romanowski says when he raised these concerns to zoo management, he got disciplinary action for insubordination and creating a hostile work environment.
It felt like they were taking it as a threat.
The zoo did not comment on specific incidents, but did talk about Romanowski's record, saying, quote, "The former employee you spoke with was not interested in the collaborative work environment we foster here at Henry Vilas Zoo, and regrettably, we did not part ways with this employee on positive terms." To Mark's animal welfare allegations, they sent a lengthy response, reading in part, "Our zoo veterinarians are leaders in their field who are highly educated, compassionate, caring, proactive, and conscientious professionals. To insinuate that our veterinarians are doing anything other than their very best would be contrary to their moral standards and a slander to their professional names."
I got so much pushback.
But despite the issues, Romanowski says there is a fix.
I think we should have had a full-time vet hired.
When I went to the UW Vet School for comment, they strongly backed their vets, saying they've provided, quote, "nothing but diligent, high-quality veterinary care to the animals at Henry Vilas Zoo." But they also told me their contract relationship with the zoo will be ending in June, citing increased veterinary care demands. The zoo says they have hired a former UW vet full-time to the staff starting in June. Head online to see more of the story at channel3000.com.